In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an AI file, which is an Adobe Illustrator file, into a PDF format. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to execute this simple conversion, which can be incredibly useful for sharing your designs with colleagues or clients who may not have Adobe Illustrator installed on their systems. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, make sure to download and install the latest version to avoid any compatibility issues. Once you have Illustrator open, go ahead and load the AI file that you wish to convert into a PDF format. Now, while this step may seem basic, it's crucial to confirm that all elements of your design are correctly displayed and that everything is finalized, because once you convert it to PDF, some aspects might not be as easily edited. With your file open and ready, your next step is to navigate to the File menu, typically located at the top left corner of your screen. This menu is your gateway to a variety of options, including our focus for today, saving your work. Click on File, and from the drop-down menu that appears, you want to select Save As. This step is vital because it will open the dialog box where you can specify how and where you want to save your new file format. In the Save As dialog box, you will notice an option that says Save on your computer. This ensures that your converted file is saved locally and is easily accessible anytime you need it. By selecting this option, another prompt will appear asking you to choose the format in which you want your file saved. Here's where the magic happens. Under Format Type, look for the PDF option. Selecting PDF is crucial because it tells Illustrator to convert your file into a portable document format, which is widely accessible and perfect for sharing. Adobe makes this quite intuitive, but be sure to double-check you've chosen the correct format, as there are several options. Once you have selected PDF, all that's left to do is hit the Save button. At this stage, you might see some additional settings for exporting as PDF, which you can adjust according to your needs. These settings can include compression, security options, and more. If you're unsure, you can generally stick with the default settings. And there you have it. Your AI file has been successfully converted to a PDF and is ready to be shared or printed. This simple yet effective method ensures that your work is preserved in a universally readable format. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Adobe Illustrator and other software tools.